Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through how to do reels. So a lot of people don't know Instagram has released new features lately on how to use reels, and a lot of people don't know, okay, this is how I'm supposed to use reels exactly, or this is what this feature stands for, or this is how I'm going to do it and everything. So that's what this video is about. So if you are a novice, if you have no clue of where to start using reels from, or how exactly you're going to use reels, that's what this video is for. So sit back, relax, get your notepad, your pen, pull out your phone, your iPad, and let's go right into it. Hey guys, so I'm going to be using my phone, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can edit reels with let's create reels together. So I'm going to be using my profile. So the first thing I am going to pull up, so you're going to see it at this side of me, and I don't know if it's the left hand side or the right hand side, but you can see the phone markup here. So the first thing I want you to know is the first thing I want you to take note of are the icons at the left hand side. So I'm going to start with the newest feature, which is called the dual feature. So when you click on the dual feature is one that you can see it shows you and also shows your background. So if it's good for if you want to teach, if you want to show people something. So I want to show you that this is what happens when your chair is close to the wall and everything. So this is what I'm showing you right here. This is the black scraps of my chair. So that's what the dual feature, and it's a really good feature that Instagram just released, and then it's a feature that I think everybody should start using today. Now the next one is the timer. So I don't know if you're like me that finds finds it really cringy when people are running from the camera. Now imagine I'm starting YouTube and I'm just like, okay, you know what, let me just sit down and everything. So I am somebody that finds it really cringy when a lot of people are always running towards the camera and back. That's what the countdown feature is for. That's what the countdown timer is for. So we have the 3 seconds and we have the 10 seconds. Most times I use 3 seconds, but if you're somebody that needs more time to sit down, relax, and put yourself together, you can use the 10 seconds. And a lot of people don't know this timer work because they forget to click on set timer. Now your Instagram has to show that icon you're clicking on has to show like a white circle in the background, and it should turn the color to another color, because if it doesn't show that, that means that, okay, probably you've not selected it and everything. So you want to make sure that you always select that timer for your reels, especially when you want to lip sync, you want to record, so it's not like you're running from the camera. Now another feature is the layout feature. So I've not tried this feature out, but we're going to try it together, and you can change the grid. So if you want to do up and down, so let's see, let me try and set it into, let me see, because I know it works for photos, but I've not seen it work for videos. So let me try and record. 3, 2, 1, let's see. Hi guys, I'm just recording this test. Ooh, it worked, guys. So let's do another one again. Hi guys. So you can record 2 videos. You can record 2 videos using the grid. So I want you to also know that you can record 2 videos using the grid feature, and it's something you should try out if you teach people how to. I'm deleting the last clip. Yeah. All right. So we also have the speed. Now we have -3x, -5x, -1x. 1x is the normal one. So if you want to shoot normally, you want to use 1x. 2x, 3x, 4x, you want to know which one exactly you're shooting from and everything. So 1x is the normal one. Let's try and shoot in 2x, guys. Let me do this. Let me reduce the volume. All right. 3, 2, 1. Hi guys. Okay, let's play it. So it was very fast. So you're very sure that 3x and 4x. I don't know why my nose is itching me. I know some people cut this off, but I'm just trying to be as real as it gets. So 3x, 4x, you can use it to increase the speed. Let's try 4x and let's see how it goes. My nose is really itchy. I'm not using the layout. All right, let me set the timer. Set the timer. 3, 2, 1, action. Oh, I didn't set the timer. You see, that's what happens when you don't click on set timer. It doesn't work. Okay, on 4x it doesn't work. You can't set the timer and everything, but let me see how the video comes out. So if you want to do very fast videos like all those time lapse and everything on Instagram, for iPhone users, you don't need to use the 4x because we already have the time lapse. But for Android users, you can use 4x, 3x, and everything. Another feature you want to, oh, this is not retake last clip, take 2, delete last clip, discard, delete last clip, discard. All right. Yeah, so I'm back to the 15 seconds. We have the 15 seconds feature now. We have the 30 seconds feature now. We have the 60 seconds feature now, and we have the 90 seconds feature now. So it's depending on you, how many minutes reel do you want to shoot for us and everything. Now let's go to the music feature. Now we have the saved and the imported. Like if you're somebody like me that saves reels a lot, you have a save, because if I open my saved option for you guys, you can see that it's a whole lot of saved music, saved audio, and you can also import to Reels. So one thing I always do is you can import to Reels. So if you want to import to Reels, you can just import the video to Reels and basically just import the audio. Like maybe you have like a voiceover on another song and you want to bring it. Now I feel like a lot of people, you can see the featured songs, so you can see the new songs like Beyonce's Church Girl, Selema Popo, Mona Lisa, and Last by Burna Boy. You can see that those ones are the trending songs. Instagram shows you that these songs are trending. So once you click on see more, now I use see more a lot because it shows you the songs that are trending on Instagram currently and shows you how you can use them. So for example, we have the Blade Runner that has 60k reels. We have Omo Baba that has 37.5k reels. First Class that has 21.5k reels. 5 Star that has close to 4,000 views. So you can see based on your niche and based on people you follow, based on what you do, the algorithm is going to show you reels like this. If I click on my other personal account, what the algorithm is going to show me is going to be is way different than this. So let me click on it. So I have Omo Baba, meaning that Omo Baba is even trending a whole lot. I have mostly Christian songs. No, not mostly Christian songs. From what I'm seeing here, not mostly Christian songs, but it varies from one account to the other. But the featured songs are still the same thing. So you want to make sure that you always take note of the featured songs, and when you click on see more, you get to see which one, because this is my Christian account. You get to see Jare, and you can just swipe if you want to save a song. You can just see, once you swipe, you can save the song. If you don't want to save, if you want to remove it, you can remove it. So you can see the number of reels that are currently using the song and use it for your video. Now let's talk filters. So I love filters a lot. And my favorite filter on Instagram is the Gold Coast filter. So I really like how it makes my skin pop, and I use it for my stories, I use it for my videos. Now if you're an iPhone user, you might not actually know this hack. You can see that my background is kind of blurry in the reel, but it's because I clicked on effect. So when you slap down your control center, if I remove effects and turn off my portrait mode, you'll see that it will show my background. But I really like when I want to like blur my background with Instagram, so I just like, okay, you know what, effect, and it looks really amazing. So you want to try that out for your videos. Now if you want to explore more effects and everything, so for somebody like me, I always go to TikTok, I look for the sounds, and then I come to Instagram and I look for the effects, then I come to Instagram and I look for effects on Instagram, and then I just like, you know what, it's the same, most times it's the same person creating it. Now for example, Sasha Soulhat is one person that I always go to her page for effects. She creates effects for Snapchat, she creates effects for Instagram, she creates effects for TikTok. So and all our effects have the same names. So you want to be able to like use those effects when it comes to Instagram, when it comes to TikTok, when it comes to whatever app you're using, because most times it's the same user on every single app that creates the same effects. So there's this how I say, there's this filter she has that's called Unstoppable, because Unstoppable is like my song. So I'm going to like try and look for it. I have it saved on my other account. So if you like it, you can try it. And she does most filters that Sasha does is filters that help you enhance, like if you don't want to wear makeup and you want to show like you're wearing makeup. And something about it is, if you can afford someone to create filters for you, you can learn how to create it. It's something that will also help you grow followers. When I found Sasha, she wasn't close to 1 million followers yet, and now currently she's on 1 million, and she rarely actually always posts like that. So she's most times always posting, and she has an engagement is totally off the roof. Yeah, so you want to like take that also seriously. Now you can also click on view effects page if you want to like sorry, not view effect page here. I'm not stopping the recording, please don't do this. You can also scroll to the very end if you want to like look for new effects. Like you can't find let's go to the reel. So you want to scroll to the end. Why is it not bringing explore? It's supposed to bring out how to find explore. I don't know why it's not bringing that out. Sorry guys, I don't know why it's not bringing that out for me. Let me see. No, remove effects. I want to remove effects. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Sorry guys. Remove effects. Start again. Let me start again. So I'm just going to click on it. Yeah, I was supposed to click on the top one. So once you click on it, you'll be able to like view effects. You can check the trending ones. There are a lot of trending ones. Instagram is always suggesting for you guys. Now blueberry is trending. You can see, I think I can see rice trending. Can you see? So you can view the trending effects. Blueberry is trending. You can see which one works for you. Sky baby is also trending. I like all those ones that make it look like you're doing natural filters and everything. So that's how you can, that's like the basic Reels walkthrough. So let me show you another thing. So we have the flash. So for iPhone, I'm not sure of Android, but once you click on the flash, so if I start recording now, let me set the timer to 2 seconds. Set timer to 2.1 seconds. Why is it not setting? I think my phone has hanged. Let's do it again. Why does this happen to good people like me? So I'm going to set the timer. My flash is on. Let me turn my flash on. And I'm not setting timer for this. You know what? Once I click on it, it's going to do something like a flash. And you see it's going to enhance whatever thing I'm doing right now. And once I turn it off, it's going to be like the normal one. I want you to take note of that. So if you want to shoot brightly, and it's not going to, the flash, front camera is going to on the flash on your face. Now the settings, now if you don't want your tools to be on the left hand side and you want it to be on the right hand side, just click on it. You can see that it has moved position. So it has moved to the right hand side on Reels if you want it. If you don't want the default camera too, so when you open Reels, you don't want it to be default camera, you want it to be back camera. Let me close it. If I open my Reels, it's going to, it's because I've opened it. Why is it like this? If you don't want it to be default on camera, you open my Reels, it's going to show me from the background. But me, I'm always like, let it be default camera, because I'm always like a front camera kind of person. And you can choose live if you want to hide your live from any person, any specific person. I think the only person I'm hiding my live from is but yeah, you can also, now a lot of people don't know that you can save Reels automatically to your device. So when you come to the Reels part of the settings, you can save the Reels to your device, and you can automatically save your Reels to your phone, and they'll be saved when you publish them. So it's only when you've published your Reel that you'll be able to save it to your phone. If your Reel uses audio that isn't available for download, it won't download it with the audio that you got from Instagram. So if it's like maybe original audio, then you can download it. Now, okay, I didn't show you guys original audio. Now when you scroll down and you like, maybe people have original audios that you want to use, like maybe they did like a voiceover and you're looking for another original audio that is trending, you'll be able to see them here. So you can choose some of the original audios here to create your Reel. And there you go for Reels walkthrough. Let me show you another one in the Reels tab. Let me pause this. So for if you're in Nigeria like me, we don't have that arrow that shows that this is a Reel that is trending. But if you're outside Nigeria or outside Africa, you most likely have that feature. But I want to talk about the use template feature, which is this. Now, the use template feature is a feature where you can use to create other Reels for yourself. I'm trying to stop the music because I don't know why it's playing out. But yeah, this use template feature, you can create one and someone else can also, like, you can also use someone else's one if you see it. So it's mostly for short videos, for people that jump on picture trends. And it only happens, the use template feature only appears on reels that are edited in the Instagram app. So if that reel is not edited in the Instagram app, it's the use template feature is not going to appear. There is no way that feature is going to appear. So if you edit a video from the beginning to the end and bring it to Instagram, it's not going to show the use template feature. So you want to make sure that it is edited in the Instagram. Now I want to insert in the Instagram app. Now I want to talk about remix. Now when you come to remix, once you click on a video and you want to remix the video and you click on it, so you can either click on remix with original audio. So now there are different layouts that come out for remixing. So I'm going to show you my favorite. My favorite is the green screen one, but you can have the one where you remix up and down. You have the one where you can show the video like this in the other side, and I think you can move it. You can move it down. You can move it anywhere. Yeah. Then the one I like the most is the green screen feature. So the green screen feature, you now use your two hands to like reduce yourself, and then you can start recording the video, or you can do a voiceover. You can bring down the audio of this and just record it. So there you go, guys. So you can play around with it, and you can turn off remixing on your videos. So let me go to one of my videos on my personal account. So if I don't want people to remix this reel, I can just turn off remixing and nobody will be able to remix this reel. So I hope you know the functions of reels, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, comment, and I'll be doing more videos on reels. I have one where I'm going to talk about how you can, how you can edit your videos, how you can do 5 simple transitions, one of my favorite one, and I'll show you exactly how I can edit it. I shot this video on my iPad, and that's why I don't know where the camera is. I don't have a camera yet, and that doesn't stop me from showing up on YouTube for you guys. So whatever it is that you have, whether it's your phone, whether it's your iPad, whether it's even your laptop, you can shoot a YouTube video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.